I'm Jason Fox. I'm the leader for project number 3 for the 2020. Our project for this time was to address the training of newly hired service techs and the process to ensure that we have the proper training for our service techs. And the intent is to develop and set standards for procedures and topics. The way we did this was through the problem-solving method with the A3 form. We first came up with a business case explaining what we were to do, the what, where, when, and who. Then we came up with what we needed to do, what our current state is. And we found out that our current state shows that we didn't have any training and how to document it. Our future state shows where we are to be. We're to have 100% of all PJ techs trained within 90 days with the required skills. And what we have next is box number 4 is the gap analysis. It's identifying what the root cause of our problem is and the current state of our techs. And basically, is they weren't trained or they're not trained. And there's no standard for the new hires. There's no one was ever able to implement anything, a process, and there was no need. Some people may say it wasn't important. Next, we came up with our solution, our hypothesis. We came up with, we used I'm sorry, I don't remember what chart.
Came up with solutions.
We came up with a solution, I don't remember what the chart was.
Picture.
Pit chart. And we came up with 8 things to look over: hire a trainer, perform training on one branch, online training, PJ trainer, a checklist for 30, 60, 90 days, then come up with a practical test, or leave it up to the branch or service managers, or hire from a PJ approved school. So then we categorized it into a pick chart basically on benefits and the difficulty of that solution. So we went ahead with trials, number 6. We performed some test runs with checklists, and we got some help from Mike and Roger Hearns. Then we had Nate come in to help us with putting it maybe on SharePoint, the new SharePoint, and that will help us with posting and documenting and tracking, and also notification of the documents that they're being completed. We also worked on in number 7, dealing with our action items, what we will do next. We're going to have an update, a survey, we're going to add links to the SharePoint, and we're going to check a mentor list. And that brings us to check number 8. We're going to start checking in for new hires from different branches, and we will have them work on the 90 days for training. And then we'll have regional managers check in on them and HR also to check in on them.